Jamie, and I just had a little trip to PetSmart and I picked up this seasonal item, this cat bed, and you will not believe the deal that I got.
Hi you guys, it's Jamie. Welcome to Damask Cats.
Okay, hello everybody, this is Jamie. If you are new here, please subscribe. I do all things cat related and I do product reviews and all sorts of fun, awesome things for cats. So this is a seasonal item, so if you are interested, I hope you go out right now and go pick it up. This is 2018 and this is a Halloween themed cat bed, and you can see the little fluffy bed and the adorable nose and the cat ears. And my cats, I just brought this up and I'm excited. So let me go ahead and tell you the deal that I got. The regular price was $39.40 and it happened to be, for my personal experience at PetSmart, it was located in the wrong area, but the manager honored the price and we saw it in the area for $29.99. And I also had they were having a special thing today, which they had $5 off, so they honored that as well. So that was an extra coupon for $5 off. So I ended up overall total, I mean, that is over half off. And for this bed, I absolutely love it. I know my cats are going to love it. This is Jubilee. Hey babe, we took her out. I'll show you some video later of us doing our day on Saturday. And here's Jupiter, my black cat. And I saw this cat bed, which is just so cute. Look at its face. How fun is this? And look at the tongue. It's like really squishy. And you can move the tongue. So you can, put whatever else you want in there. And I hope you can see this. It is so fun. Isn't that just the funnest thing? So, okay, let me show y'all a little more from a different angle. And I can tell that they like it already. I love it. It's got like whiskers and big eyes and a cute nose. Of course, the tongue and the ears. It's just adorable. Turn it around so you can see the back. How fun is this? And I'm going to use this, of course, year round. And I like to go snatch up things that are black cat related during the month of October or the month before. It's like September and October. And then I'll try to look for discount stuff after the holiday that are black cat related. But so much fun. And if you have the opportunity, please go check it out. This is the Damask Cats Jupiter and Jubilee page. If you are not a subscriber, again, please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you for watching this short video. This was an awesome steal. Check out some of the video coming up next. It is us traveling around for the day. And if you haven't checked out Pop Cat Con video, please do. You'll see that as suggestions for the next videos. Thank you again, guys. And I already see my black cat in there. Oh my God. Can y'all see that? Jupiter. Oh my God, how cool. Oh, so worth it. So worth it, guys. All right. Have a good day. Stay blessed, guys. Go ahead, Jubilee. Go in there. No? Okay. So go out there and grab this deal while you still can. also wanted to discuss what we originally went there for, which was this little event at PetSmart. And it's talking about switching your cat litter and how you're supposed to do it gradually. And just wanted to go over that really quickly. But I just wanted to show you. And with that, we got this adorable catnip toy. Clearly, Jupiter. I wish I could show you because she's like really into it. Ooh. It's like a little troll thing. It's cute. It's got catnip in it. I'm gonna have to take that out. She is into it. And I got a little bag of treats. Instinct, gluten-free, and Jupiter. Alright guys, just wanted to make sure I talked about this. This is one of the original reasons we went, and then we got the cat fed. So this is raw boost mixture, grain-free, protein-free, protein packed, all natural, and nothing artificial. So this would be great to keep in there to go bag for treats. And Jupiter really likes the catnip. My coupon kind of looked like this, that the $5 off coupon off of my one cat purchase, and then the discount, stuff like that. So just wanted to make sure I showed y'all. And look, they have like the different versions of the troll here on the back. Oh my goodness. She really likes this, and she go back and get some more of those. Woo!